Yeah, hi. In this session, we are going to discuss about map interface. So, map is also a collection, but it is not a part of. It is not the child interface of collection interface. But it's a part of collection. So, when we'll use this map interface, in case we required a key value pair object. If we require a key value pair object, then we will go for the map interface. So the map interface has its own hierarchy. So it is a association of a key value pair. So this map interface implemented by hash map and a tree map. Sorted map is also a interface. It is implemented by tree map class. So how it will be, its hierarchy is the map hierarchy. It's a map hierarchy. It's a map is an interface. So it has a sorted map. Sorted map is also an interface. The sorted map implemented by tree map class. The sorted map implemented by tree map class. And then this map class has implemented by hash map and linked hash map. So now let us see each implementation class as a hash map and linked hash map and tree map. So map is an interface. When we will go for this map interface, if we required a key value pair object, that is, for example, we have a number and name. Number is the key, our name is value. We have a students, and the students, so Uday maybe 3-4 members. So Uday, if I call Uday, then even in our group itself there are 2 members. If I call Uday, so which one? So for uniqueness, I will have one number. For one Uday, the number is 1001. For other Uday, the number is 1002. So we'll have one unique number, identification number. So sometimes for our items, we'll have a code. So maybe same item. So that is one village item, one hybrid item. So item is same, but if you want to give a uniqueness, then we can give a unique number. Like our students, if same name, if there are 3-4 members with the same name, then for identification we give one unique number, that is the key value. Their name is the value. So the key is unique, it doesn't have a duplicate. So if names are already duplicate, so that we have given a unique name. Unique is nothing but that doesn't have duplication. So key never have duplicate keys, but value may be a duplicate. So when we require key value pairs, then we will go for map interface and its implementation. programmatically, if you see here this map has a class, implementation class, that is hash map. That is hash map. Hash map is the implementation class of map interface. So here I have created hash map object. Hash map object. So here I have created two objects, that is I1 and I2. I1, I2 are two objects. I1 value is 12, I2 value is 10. Two integer objects. These are integer objects. Map has a method. So like our add method. See here for array list, if you want to add object, so what method we will use? Add method. Use add method. So similarly for map, there is no add method. If you want to add object, we have to use put method. Put is the method. Have to use that put method. So you can see all the methods of hash map. So m dot see clear, clone, compute if absent. So entry set. So we will see this entry set, and then equals for each get object. By using get we can get the object. Hash code is empty. Key set is all keys. We can make it as a one set, and then notify. Here we have a put method. Put object key and object value. For put method we can pass key and value, both key pair and value pair. Put all, in case if there is already map object, so the map object will have a multiple individual objects. So by using put all method we can add another map. Put if absent, remove, replace, and size, toString, values, weight. These all of the methods are available in map hash map class. So here we are using put method for adding the objects. So here I have created two objects, I1 and I2. I1 value is 12, I2 value is 10. Now I want to add one object, map object. So what is the map? Map is a key value pair. Map is a key value pair. So here I am using m dot put. Put is the method, hash map method, and I1. What is the I1 value? Object 12. 12 power. Value is power 1. Key value. I1 is the key. Key is unique. It doesn't allow duplicate. Okay, later we will try by giving the duplicate how it will treat it. Then m dot put I2. I2 is, what is the I2 value? 10. And value is Kalyan. And then I am printing this m object, m hash map object. So now let us run this. 10, key is the 10, value Kalyan, 12 is the key, and Pawan is the value. Vignesh, so
Yes, sir.
please mute your mic. You please mute your mic. Yeah, okay. Thanks. So here if you see key value pair, the key 10, 10 is Kalyan, 12 is Pawan, 12 is Pawan. Now what I do, if I give the duplicate object m dot put, m dot put. So here need to give key value and key and value. Key again I give I1. I1, what's the I1 value? I1 is 12. And value here I will give Srini. See here 10 Kalyan, 12 Srini. 10 Kalyan, 12 Srini. See, it doesn't take duplicate key. It doesn't allow duplicate key. Just it's simply ignored. It's just simply ignored. It allow duplicate value. So in case if I give here instead of one more object I can create, that is so here I can create one more object, that is 15, 15, and then here object is so I3 and I1 and I2 same value I am passing. Same value I am passing. Now see, value is duplicate. Yes, it will allow. If value is duplicate, it will allow. See, 16 Pawan, 10 Kalyan, 12 Pawan. If value is duplicate, it will allow. But if key is duplicate, it doesn't allow. See, if here also, if I put I1, now it doesn't allow. It doesn't allow. See, it has given only Kalyan and Pawan. The other Pawan, it did not allow. So what can you understand by this? So in map is a key value pair. Key must be unique. It doesn't allow duplicate key, but it will allow duplicate value. Key must be unique, because if there are 100 students, same Uday, there are 4 members with Uday name. Yeah, name may be same, but number must be different. If number is also same, then when you enter the hall ticket number, whose marks has to give it? So that hall ticket number must be differ. So key must be unique. Value may be duplicate. Value may be duplicate. So map is a combination of key value pair. It's a combination of key value pair. So see here what it is asking. It is asking key and then value. Both it will ask. We have to give key and value both. In case if you require a object with key value pair, then we'll go for the map. So this map has a method, that is put method. That is put method. Why is this put method? The put method is for adding the object. Map adding the map object. All these methods. Interface, put key value, key comma value, and then put all method for adding another map object, and then clear for remove all objects from the map, and then remove key. So the specific key, if you want to remove the specific key, specific object, then we can remove specific object. So whatever the object is associated with that key, so here if you see this 10 is associated with Pawan. So if you give the key I1, then immediately the Pawan will get removed from the map collection object. And then contain. So contain is, we are checking whether the object is available or not by passing the key. Because key is the unique. So by passing the key, we can find out whether the specific key is available or not. Value, if you want to find out the value is available, then yes, by passing contains value method. Contains value is a method. If we pass in that method value, we can find out. Then get key. So the specific, it returns the value corresponding to key. If you pass the key, the related key value, it will return. The key value it will return. Suppose if Uday key is 1001, if you pass m dot get 1001, then it will return the name it will. All are the methods. Get key, we can get the key, we can get the value. In case to set the value, we can set the value by set method. All are the methods. So now see, here we have seen already how to add key value pair. The next example, so here I have created an HashMap object. So HashMap m equal HashMap. So key value pairs. So first object is Rajani is a key and 700. Value is 700. And Kamal, the value is 800. Vijay, value is 200. Ajit, value is 700. Again I am adding Rajani. It's a duplicate. It's a duplicate. Now it doesn't allow. Rajani will not 2 times. It will be only 1 time. So now Ajit 700, Vijay 200, Rajini 800, Kamal 800. So here Rajini 700 it did not add because it's a duplicate key. Rajini is already here available, so it did not allow the duplicate object. So now I have added all these objects, and then here we are using all these methods. Check one by one. Here object m, object m, m dot key set, m dot key set. So what it return all key values, the set of key values it will return. The set of key values it will return. Now this set is a this set is a set interface. We are converting this map into set. We are converting this map into set. How we are converting? By using the method that is key set method. That is key set method. So the set of keys will return as a set object. Now yes, the yes, what it contains the yes, let us see here. We are printing the system.out.println of yes, what it contains the yes, we will see here. Yes is C. These all are set of keys, key set. So what are the keys? Ajit, Vijay, Rajini and Kamal. All keys it is retrieved. In case if you want to, so what is the map? Map is a key value base. In case if you want to get all the key values, all the keys, then by using key set, we can get all keys. In case if you want to get all values, if you want to get all values, yes, that also we can get all values by using m dot values. M dot values, it returns the collection. It returns the collection. So collection is a group of individual objects. So here these all are the values, the individual all values it will return and store in collection. So now collection C. Now I am printing the C. Now let us see all values are returned or not. Now see all values 800 and 800. So in key value pair, if you want to get all keys, we can get a key set method. M is the map object. M dot key set, it will return all keys, Rajani, Kamal, Vijay and Ajit. If you want all values, M dot values, it returns the collection. So then C will have all values 700, 800, 200 and 800. Then here it is object, collection of object. See previously if we want to retrieve and check each and every object, we have used iterator, list iterator or enumerator. If you want to retrieve the objects from map collection object, then first we must convert into set and then we can retrieve it. We cannot retrieve directly from map. First we need to convert that map collection object into set. So how we can convert that? We can convert by using the entry set method. We have a entry set method. So entry set m dot entry set. So this entry set method will convert this map object into set object. The map object into set object. Now you can see what will print S1. S1 will print all objects. So here, if you see, it is set object. It is the set object now. Ajit, Vijay, Rajini, and Kamal. It is not a map object. It is a set object. It is a set object. From this set object, we can retrieve each and every object and we can perform the validations. So how we perform the validations, that if you want to retrieve each and every object, we must require one cursor, that may be iterator or list iterator. So list iterator only for list implementation classes. So we must use the iterator. So here I am using iterator for retrieving and checking each and individual object. So here what I am checking here is the same. The iterator will have a has next element, has next method, it will check is there next object or not. And then the next method will have it will pick up the object. It will pick up the object. So it will pick up the object and store in M. Store in M. HashMap.entry. So from this entry object, we can get individually key and value. We can get the key and we can get the value. It is the HashMap entry set. HashMap entry set. So from this entry set, we can get the map key and map value. And then here I am checking. Individually I am getting key and value if here I am checking the condition. In my condition, what is my condition is m1 dot get key equals of Rajini. If key value is Rajini, then I am setting the value 1000. So previously what is the value for Rajini? The value for Rajini is 800. Now in this validation, what I am doing, if key is Rajini, then I am asking to set 1000. Now it will change. Ajit will be 700 because key it will get the key Ajit. Now Ajit dot equals to Rajini. No, it's a false. Then immediately it will come out of this condition, and then again it will go has next element. Yes, there are has next element, and then the next element it will take the Vijay, and here it will check Vijay dot equals to Rajini, false. It will come out, and again it will go and check. Since it is the loop, it has to loop until completion of all these objects. The next time Rajini, key value is Rajini. M1 dot get key dot equals of Rajini. Yes, it is equivalent to Rajini. Then immediately M1 dot set value we are setting for that Rajini value is 1000. Now 800 will replace with the 1000. And the next time Kamal. So Kamal is equivalent to Rajini. No, it's not. So then it will come out of the loop. So that is, we are doing the validation by retrieving each and every object. If you want to retrieve the each and every object from the collection object from the map collection object, then we must use the entry set, m1 dot entry set. Then it will convert into the set object. Then using this we can iterate all the objects, and then we can check, we can perform the validation. Now see, run as Java application for individually it is getting. So Ajit 700, Vijay 200, Rajini 800, Kamal 800, and finally here after performing the validation, after performing the validation, Ajit 700, Vijay 200, Rajini 1000. It said the 1000. Whenever Rajini key value equivalent to Rajini, then we are setting the value 1000. So Rajini set as 1000 and Kamal 800. So here only thing you have to observe is, in case if you want to perform the validation by 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 retrieving each and individual objects, then we must convert this map object into set by using this entry set method. This is the way. M is the map object. So M has key value pair. Now we are converting that into set, and using that set we are retrieving and performing the validation on each and every collection object of the map, each and every individual object of the collection object, map collection object. And the next class is linked hash map. Next one is the linked hash map. So what it do the linked hash map? The linked hash map will keep the order in which the elements are inserted into it. Then linked hash map is similar to hash map. It's a similar to hash map that you can see. Hash map. Yeah, see here, linked hash map. So linked hash map is also, it behave same as hash map because it is, yes, hash map. So hash map is a, we have it is implemented by this hash map. Linked hash map is implemented by the hash map. So whatever the hash map has a behavior, the same behavior will have the same behavior will have by this uh, whatever hash map, the same behavior will have the linked hash map. And then later I will show you what is the differences between the hash map and the linked hash map. So whatever the hash map have the behavior, the same behavior will get inherited for linked hash map also. The difference is, as we seen previously, so one is faster performance for retrieval and one is faster performance for insert, delete or update operations. And then sorted map and tree map. The sorted map and tree map is also same as sorted set and tree set. What it do the sorted set and tree set? Sorted set for performing some sorting operation. So even here also the sorted map for, so if you have sorted map of which tree map is only one available, the keys are guaranteed to be in the sorted order. The keys must be in the sorted order. Why will use sorted map? For sorting order. All keys will have a in sorting order. So here also we'll have a compare and comparator methods. Compare method and comparator methods. So sorted map is a interface. So it must have a implementation class that is tree map. Tree map is the implementation class for that sorted map. So using this sorted map and a tree map, we can perform the sorting, the natural sorting and customized sorting. So here tree map. See here all are keys. First 100, 103, 101, 104 and 107. In this order I have added. But if you see here 100, 101, 103, 106 and 107. Because it is sorted, some sorting order. So how it will sort? It will sort the keys. Keys it will sort. So if it is sorting anywhere, that may be in set or map, if it is a sorting, then it should not allow this different type of keys, heterogeneous keys. Then it will throw the class cast exception, because it cannot sort, because these all keys are integer objects. This key is string object, so we cannot sort the combination of int and string. So when you are performing the sorting, all objects must be same type. Then in case if you require the sorting, customized sorting, then we need to implement the comparator. We need to implement the comparator. Same logic whatever we have seen previously for the preset, the same logic. So now it will give descending order. First S, then Z, L and A. What it is? Why DS? Sorry, because the case sensitive must be the same case. So first Z sorting the descending order. First Z and then S and then L and then A. So it is customized sorting order. So this is about collections. The collections are also probably by this session all testing team can exit, and we will continue for Java guys. We will continue Java guys from the next session. By the next session we will see the JDBC, Java Database Connectivity, and then servlets, JSP, and frameworks, Spring and Hibernate. So I'll see you in the next session. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.